Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm doing a bit of a different video to my usual type of baking video. I'll be doing a tag video as I was tagged in the Crazy for Food tag by my friend Christina Fogel. If you are unfamiliar with the Crazy for Food tag, it's a tag which you are tagged in by a friend. They answer theirs, they nominate you, you do your video, and then you nominate 3 other people. So the 3 people I have decided to nominate for this tag are Mrs. Kringle's Kitchen, The Tortilla Channel, and Jasmine Cater. So let's get on with the tag. Question number 1 is, which food would you eat every day? For me, this is an easy one, cinnamon rolls for sure. Question number 2 is, what's your favourite restaurant? Mine, it's not a national or international name, but it's a local place called Harborne Kitchen. Question number 3 is, what city has the best food you've ever had? I would have to say London, as it has so much choice once you are there. Question number 4, what do you get on your sub? This is a bit random, but I have a combination of turkey, cheese, sweet corn and mayonnaise. Question number 5 is, what do you get on your pizza? I always, well, almost always have mozzarella, barbecue chicken, onion, and that's all on a barbecue base. Question 6 is there a food you've always wanted to try? At the moment there isn't, but there might be in the future. Number 7 is, tell me about your worst restaurant experience. I was about to eat a slice of pizza at a well-known pizza chain in the UK, and then as I picked it up, you could see there was a hair quite heavily baked into the cheese. Yeah, it was disgusting and it put me off pizza for a long time. Question number 8 is, who's the better cook, your mom or dad? This one's easy, it's my mom by far. Question 9 is, what is the one food you fail at making? For me, this is macarons. I just can't seem to get them perfect every time, even though I've practiced and practiced. Something that I'm going to work on this year to perfect. Question 10 is, name your least favourite foods. This is pretty easy. It's anything that is pickled. Anything pickled is plainly just disgusting. Number 11 is raw or cooked vegetables. I prefer my vegetables to be cooked or steamed. Question number 12 is, how do you like your steak? My preference is medium to medium well. Anything after that is ruined, and anything before that is basically so raw it's still mooing at you. Not my preference, but yeah, if you enjoy it then why not? Number 13, do you enjoy cooking or baking better? This is the easiest question on the list. I much more prefer to bake over cooking, as when it comes to cooking, I could probably burn the house down. Question 14, what is your favourite fast food place? I don't eat a lot of fast food, but if I had to choose one, it would probably be Five Guys. Question 15 is, name a food place you wish was closer. I actually don't have an answer for this one. Number 16 would be ultimate favourite dessert. Now this one I'm torn on, as it's between a no-bake cheesecake and brownies. But if I had to choose one, it would always be the cheesecake. Number 17, what food do you gravitate more towards at a party or get together? For me personally, it's the more snack food or finger food, whichever you know it as. Just, you know, the little nibbly bits, nothing too fancy. Question 18 is, favourite foods to eat at Christmas? This is an easy one, pigs in blankets. Granted, I know you can eat them all year round, but I associate them with Christmas. Question 19 is, what's the first food that comes to mind right now? Hunter's chicken. Question 20 is, do you have any weird food habits? Yes, if I have a tuna sandwich, I will put banana on it, as I think the two flavours work well together. Question 21 is, what holiday is your favourite for food? Personally, it's Christmas, as there's just so much food, you know, there's so much choice, you can just indulge, it's Christmas, why not? Question 22 is, what's one food you'll never try? This is completely random, but octopus, it just, nah, I can't even think about eating it. Ugh. Number 23 is, do you know your best friend's favourite food? Yes, it's split between two. She really likes cheese and garlic bread, and the two combined are just like a massive winner for her all the time. Number 24 is, what's the best thing your mum makes? My mum doesn't really bake, she's more of a cook. So I would have to say Sunday roast, as most Sundays we all have a Sunday roast and she can just do it effortlessly. Number 25 is, what's your favourite style of egg? Scrambled, poached, boiled, over easy or sunny side? I've never heard of the final two, so it's between, for me, fried and poached. I can have either of those and not really complain. Question 26 is, name your favourite restaurant that is closed down. I don't think there is one that I used to go to regular that has closed down. They're all still open, so there's no answer for this one. Do you like your bread toasted light or dark? I like my bread toasted lightly. If it's too dark, it's basically considered burnt. Question 28 is, do you like spicy food? And the answer is simply yes. The spicier the better, but not overly spicy as that just ruins it completely. Question 29 is, do you like seafood? Not really. I'm not really a fan, so I'd have to say no on this one, as I'm not a massive fan of seafood. The final question, which is number 30. First food that comes to mind that is green, broccoli, as that's what I've got out on the counter. That was the crazy for food tag. Thank you, Christine, for tagging me in your video. I will leave the links to the 3 people I have tagged down below. So if you've enjoyed this different type of video, don't forget to show me some love by liking, commenting and subscribing for more from me. I'll be back on Thursday with another video, which will be a baking video. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave them down in the comments down below, or message me on one of my social medias, which are also in the description just down below.